Hello student, today we will start integral calculus. As you can see in the diagram, it is integral sign. A is lower limit of integration, B is upper limit of integration. Here it is integral of f from A to B. Two types of integration. First is indefinite integration. Second is definite integration. Indefinite integration, suppose function is given y is equal to x to the power n. So in indefinite integration, it is the sign of integration x n dx. Indefinite integration, there is no limit. After integration, x n plus 1, add plus 1 and divided by n plus 1 plus c. Here c is integration constant. But in definite integration, write the lower limit to upper limit from A to B, xn dx. After integration, x n plus 1 upon n plus 1 limit from A to B. Some important integration formula. Suppose function is given sin x. After integration, we will get minus cos x plus c. Here c is integration constant. Cos x after integration, sin x plus c. Sec square x after integration, tan x plus c. Cosec square x minus cot x plus c. Sec x tan x, sec x plus c. Cosec x cot x minus cosec x plus c. X to the power n, here n is not equal to minus 1. After integration, x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. 1 upon x log x means log x plus c. E to the power x, e to the power x plus c. Some example. First, function is given y equal to x square. So integration of this function x square dx. After integration, we will get x to the power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c, or x cube upon 3 plus c. Second, x to the power 0 dx. X to the power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1 plus c, or x plus c. Next, Third, 1 upon x dx is equal to log base e x plus c. Fourth, x square plus 1 upon x dx is equal to x square dx plus 1 upon x dx. X square means x to the power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus 1 upon x log base e x plus c. It means x cube upon 3 plus log base e x plus c. Other example of definite integration. Suppose limit 0 to 1 x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. So 0 to 1 x square dx plus 0 to 1 2x dx plus 0 to 1 3 dx. It means x to the power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus 2 x to the power 2 plus. Some example of definite integral. Limit 2 to 3 x dx. After integration, x square upon 2 limit from 2 to 3. First you put the upper limit in place of x minus put the lower limit in place of x. So 3 3 ja 9 upon 2, 2 2 ja 4 upon 2. So after calculation we will get 5 upon 2. Next, second. Suppose limit from 0 to 3 x square dx. So in this integration, x square means x to the power 3 upon 3 limit from 0 to 3. First you put the upper limit in place of x upon 3 minus put the lower limit in place of x upon 3. So 27 upon 3. It means 9. Next, third example. Limit from 2 to 5 1 upon x dx. 1 upon x means log x. Limit from 2 to 5. First you put the upper limit in place of x, means log base e 5 minus log base e 2. Next, fourth example. Suppose limit from 0 to 1 x square 2x plus 3 dx. In this integration, 0 to 1 x square dx plus 0 to 1 2x dx plus 0 to 1 3x dx. 0 to 1 x square dx. Write the constant from outside the integration sign, means 2 0 to 1 x dx, 3 0 to 1 x to the power 0 dx. X square means x2 plus 1 divided 2 plus 1 plus 2 x to the power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 3 x to the power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. Limit from 0 to 1, or x cube upon 3 plus 2x square upon 2 plus 3x. Limit from 0 to 1. First you put the upper limit in place of x upon 3 plus 2 1 square upon 2 plus 3 1 minus lower limit in place of x. Two cancel, so 1 upon 3 plus 1 plus 3, or 1 plus 3 plus 4, or 13 upon 3. It is the answer. Yes, today homework. First 4 dx, second 3x 4 dx, third e to the power x sin x plus root x dx, fourth minus 1 to 1 x dx, fifth limit 1 to 3 2x plus 3 dx, sixth limit minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. Next 7 minus 1 to 3 x dx, eighth limit 2 to 3 x square plus 1 dx. Next 9 0 to 2 x cube dx, and last 1 to 2 1 upon x dx. That's all for today.